Students, in this video we will learn about autofill feature that is provided by Microsoft Excel. Students, it is a unique feature. How can it make our work easy? You can see and understand that one. Students, Microsoft Excel, when we are working in worksheet, then when we will have to fill the numbers, just like we will have to write the numbers from 1 to 100 or 1 to 50. So it is very easy in Microsoft Excel to write the number. Actually, when we are using autofill option, it will become very easy for us. How can it will become easy? You can see here I am writing 1 and 2. Okay students, after then no need to write the next number. Only select 1 and 2. Select only 2 cells. After then come here. This is autofill handle. But you will have to only drag this down, and as much number you required you will left there. You can see this is showing here. I am increasing this one. I am leaving this one. Now you can see here from 1 to 60 it is automatically filled by autofill feature. Okay students, so without writing manually we can use autofill option and we can fill the numbers up to 60 or whatever you need. More than it you can do it with the help of autofill feature. It is also helpful in many areas students. It is many variation, just like I am writing here month's name January. After then I am writing just below February. Okay students, no need to write next month's name. By simple you can select the both and use autofill handle. You can see that we are getting here up to from January to December and more than it. That means it is providing us facility that as much as we required to fill the same series, that means the series of months in a year, you can get that one. You can increase this number as much as you required. Same as we can write here Sunday, Monday. These are the days of a week. Sunday, Monday. Okay students, no need to write the remaining days. Select these two. After then go in that area, and that is autofill handle. Only drag this. Students, we can't use this one in only in column. We can do these things in rows also. Just like I am writing a table here of 2 and now I am writing in the row, I am writing 2 after then 4. Now we'll get the select this one, after then drag across the row. You can see that we are getting the table of 2, but it is more than 20. That means here 13 ja we can get 13 ja, and more than it you can, as much you required, you can drag it according to your choice. Okay students, now I am showing you another thing. Here you can see showing that it is providing us facility that we can copy cells also. Only can we can copy, or we can work like its series. Just like I am writing here 1. Okay students, I am writing here 1 only, and here I am using this one autofill option. You can see that here only 1 has come in every cell. It has been filled only 1, but here you can click, after then you can get some option here. So if here it is highlighted copy cells, that means it has only copied the cells. If you want to fill the series, it is asking that if you want to fill the series, then you will click on that one, after then you will get the number. That means autofill here provide some option also for you. By this way you can do your work very easily you can do your work. That means you can copy the cell only, or you can fill the series by here. Remaining 2 options are also here, but we will study about in coming in next coming classes. Okay students, and now I am going to use date here. You can do this one also. So short date, I am writing here 22/9 and 2020, and now I am going to autofill using autofill option. Up to here only you can see it is automatically copying the cell, like you can see here 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here what we are getting, what it is providing us, it is of only showing 2020. That means 22, 23 in the month of September. Here it is showing that copy the cell. That means if you are clicking on copy the cell, that all the cells are same. When we are fill the series, then what we are getting just what we have got here. Now I am going to change something new here. It is providing facility. It is providing us facility that fill years, fill months, fill weekdays. You can you can choose any one of the given one. I'm selecting fill years. Then you can see it is changed its years. That means after 2020 it is on 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That means it has been changed the series of the years. Okay students, this video is over here. You can do with yourself.